Today I have a kind of bigger project. It's these 12-volt mini fridges that go in kind of trucks or RVs. Looks like it's a Volvo 2055394, and it has a compressor back there, some fuses, and then this is where it connects to the 12 volt. So right here I have 12 volt connected to my power supply here, and it is not reading any current. And on in the inside, I have the little switch connected and it's on. So first things I think we're gonna have to look at is these 10 these fuses, 10 amp fuse on both lines. And they have a little clip and they can, so I'll just see if I'm getting the voltage past them. I'm getting voltage past them, so the fuses are fine. A couple screws that hold the coil. And then a couple screws here. Part number here is SP288. After removing the bottom bracket, we can see the internals of the circuit here. This is the input, 12 volts, and then we have the different components in there. Let me just check the diodes. About 0.6 volt for voltage. Those are good. Let me disconnect the power, see if we're getting anything. If I connect right to the board here, we'll see if we get anything. Nothing. And then there's these little plastic tabs that keep the board inside. This fuse is good. There's a second fuse in here. It's good too. So what I ended up doing was using the thermostat connector from this one, this is the same type of fridge. And when I connect that and switch it on, it's running the compressor. So it looks like this board's fine. It's just a bad switch. Temperature switch. When the fridge is turned on, the red and orange wires are shorted, and that's gonna switch on to activate the motor. So here I can short out the orange and red one. And that would activate it. Okay, for this one we're gonna do the workaround, and I'm gonna make it always on. So I'm going to short the red. Okay, we're gonna short out the fourth one. First one, which is orange and red. Okay. Alright, so let's plug it in here. Turn it on now. A thing I found about this fridge is it's missing the gasket to keep it cool. This thing right here. So this fridge has it. So that means it will not cool down because it's missing the outlining of the refrigerator. So the cold air will just come out.